I'll be showing you how to remove and install your hood vent on your Dodge Challenger 6.1 liter SRT8 2010. So it's a very simple process. You don't even need tools for this, or if you prefer it, you could use a flathead with a protective cloth if you find it easier. But first of all, you're going to want to push in your hood vent rubber inside. I'm just going to grab a light for you guys. So you just grab this rubber part, you push it inside, and after that you come back outside. You're going to want to lift up the bottom part while pulling outwards, and then while doing that you're going to push down on it, and then it should slide out. Very simple. And you just get it out. Now you have your hood vent out. Now to reinstall it, you just make sure that you start with your end piece. You put it in. You just slide it backward. And then you push your groove on top first. Then you clip your bottom back in. Then you go back under your hood. And you grab your rubber piece back. It should be waiting for you right there. And then you have grooves on your rubber piece. You just clip it back onto your hood. And you're done. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in a comment below. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.